Hey guys, we are back at the former HMO that is being turned back into a family rental, so a single let. This is the first week, rip out has started, bathroom started, so let me turn the camera around. Okay, so entrance hall. All the wiring needs sorting. A lot of redecorating. Front room, unfortunately the light bulb doesn't work or the light doesn't work, but it's been completely cleared out. Car's done a great job. We need to see if we can block it off. I'm not sure if that's actually possible, but the fireplace frame has been removed, at least. It's a grade 2 listed building, so it's really nice features. Still need a measurement on the lintel here, because there were some issues. Again, everything's been cleared out. This building is full of character. The main challenge really is these windows, which are still waiting on the consultant. Feedback from the consultant. Kitchen. So, been trying to think what we're going to do with this kitchen, with this existing kitchen unit, because we want to try and keep costs down as much as possible and avoid wasting any money where possible, because this is an unexpected. The cost here is unexpected. I'm almost sure it wasn't budgeted for. So I think these counters are fine. Unfortunately, these worktop designs don't match. But I think the best thing to do here is actually trying to keep the existing worktop. That's a very nice sink. And the tiles, and just redecorate around it. Now this is wallpaper, so I'm not sure how this... Maybe we'll just paint over that. Yeah, I'm trying to keep the existing cabinet doors and cabinets if we can. Let me talk to Peter. This boiler needs replacing. We'll need to do it ASAP because it will impact on the rest of the works. So I asked Slim to come and change this boiler because the piping needs rerouting apparently. Okay, so mostly this week it's the bathroom that has been done. So new plastering, it looks great, just actually completely unrecognizable. What we've done so there was a shower unit here and a bathtub over there, both really old obviously. Decided in the end it's the best thing to do is actually to remove the shower unit to turn this into a proper family bathroom. Before there's just too many things going on. So now we'll have the bathtub there. But as you can see, it has a wider base there because that is where the shower unit is going to go. So there'll be an overhead shower there and a shower screen there. And then that's the new toilet. So that will go here. Everything has been, so this would be nice again, these windows. Yeah, what we're going to do as well is try and keep these tiles. So give it a good clean afterwards. Again, just try and keep costs down, but these are good tiles. It's just depend on how long they'll last. So what they'll look like once they're done. And along here as well. Again, just try and keep costs down outside. So that's the old units. So the old shower tray, all that sort of stuff. The washing machine. Now, Ken. Special thanks to Ken and Carl for completely removing all this. This was a jungle back here. Looks like a shed or two here. So everything's been removed. What we'll do is near the end, we'll fix the panels, try and make this all presentable. That's completely different to what it was before. Okay, we'll have to repaint these doors at the end. So yeah, this flooring, we're trying to clean afterwards along here as well. We'll leave it to the end and decide, because that shouldn't really impact on things. Okay, let's go upstairs. So the carpet will be replaced, try and keep these original handrails and stuff, to redecorate. So there's an opposite, obviously. I think we're going to actually just try and keep that as it is. Just redecorating here. Maybe just leave that light there as well. Just keep costs down again. First bedroom, good sized bedroom. We fill those holes up. The lights in already. Just redecorating here. Probably have a look at that. Upstairs will be carpeted as well, so this will have to come up. Carpeted. We'll have to recarpet throughout. Repair work has been done around here. Car's taken away all the old furniture. And in here as well. So that'll be filled up. And then everything is going to be redecorated. I think the painting has already started, which is good. We'll have to replace these doors. Final bedroom. Again, no light. Let's just get another light bulb. But again, just redecorate, remove the carpets, potentially block that chimney vent there. And that should be it. And also how to deal with these annoying alarms as well. And these windows are really the main concern. Because it's a Grade 2 listed building, we can't really do much about this. It also will impact on the EPC, but because it's a Grade 2 listed building, possibly it can be exempt from the EPC requirement. It's not automatic, so we'll have to see. Yeah, I think that's making a lot of progress up here. It's been redecorated up here as well. Actually, we'd have to have a look at the loft, potentially insulate it. If you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We like to manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. As I said, this was previously a HMO 40/40 accommodation with another provider. The landlord has asked us to take over the property and convert it back into a single let because they don't want the headache, essentially. If you like this sort of stuff, like and follow for more. All right, see you.